I need your help. Does anybody out there know what wood species this is? You see, the hardwood dealer that I buy my lumber from has their cash register conveniently located in a showroom full of exotic lumber. And when they measure and ring up my selection, I always find some really cool looking exotic wood that I think I'm gonna make something out of. And inevitably, always bring it home. And to be honest, I know what species this is. The real problem that I need your help with is, do you see that rack over there? That middle shelf is entirely exotic woods, but all they're doing is collecting dust. Some of those boards have been up there for over 2 years, and I have no idea what to make out of them. On top of that, my house is full of random exotic boxes and remote caddies. I don't need any more lying around the house. So if you know this wood species name, post it in the comments below, along with an idea for me to make out of it. After I get 10 correct guesses and ideas, I'm gonna put those ideas into a hat and draw one at random. Then you can watch me build it live weekly on Saturdays. And as you're watching me build it live, post this code in the comments of the live stream. I'm gonna track every person that posts that code in the live stream comments and toss their name into a hat. And at the end of the last live video, I'm gonna draw one lucky person's name from a hat. And they're gonna win that project. I'm gonna ship it to you for free. The only problem is the winner has to be in the United States. So sorry to all my international viewers. So if you know what wood species this is, help me out by giving me something to do with it.